So now we will learn the tip number 11. Okay, so here the point is use keywords very effectively. So whenever you are using any keywords for writing prompt from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, so in that case the keyword work like a magic. Okay, so that is very important also. So you need to write that keyword very effectively. So here the example is discuss AI. Suppose you are asking to ChatGPT or any other artificial tool that discuss AI. Again, it is a very generic question. It's a very common question. So ChatGPT will provide a generic answer. For experience purpose it is good, for educational purpose it is good, but if you want to get some accurate answer, accurate response from ChatGPT, you need to modify it. How you can do it? You need to write discuss the role of artificial intelligence in modern healthcare. So you are saying that discuss. It's a very powerful keyword that you are saying discuss the role of artificial intelligence. Okay, so you want to know about the artificial intelligence in modern healthcare. So you need to be very specific about your on which subject, which industry, which topic you are asking to ChatGPT. So you are asking about in modern healthcare. Okay, so you want to get so discuss the role of artificial intelligence in modern healthcare. So it is done. Now you are saying emphasizing diagnostic tools and personalized treatment. So two things you want to highlight, that these two things I want to be highlighted. uh, uh, what is that? That is emphasizing diagnostic tools and personalized treatment. So it will be focus, it will explain the modern healthcare, but it will emphasize the diagnostic tools and personalized treatment. So what will happen is you will get more better response from ChatGPT. Okay, again the example number 2. Suppose write about education. You are asking a generic question to ChatGPT that write about education, so it will provide a broad answer to you. For experience purpose it is okay, but for accurate answer it is not correct. So you need to again summarize the details and you need to create the content. Okay, so instead of that, what you can write about the impact of online learning platforms. So you are asking impact, what will be the impact? Write about the impact of online learning platforms on higher education. So you can replace anything, might be higher education, might be remote education, anything you can replace your content. It is just for an example, so you can replace your content. So your main objective is write about the impact of online learning platforms on higher education, focusing on accessibility and student engagement. So I want you need to discuss about that uh, online platform, learning platform on higher education, but keep in mind that my main focus is accessibility and student engagement. Of course cover these topics so that I can understand it better. Okay, so you are providing your specific topic that under one main topic you want to get more information. You are breaking down that topic into some narrow subtopic. Okay, so that is it. And again third example is explain robotics. You are asking ChatGPT that explain robotics, so it will provide a generic answer again. Then suppose you are modifying your prompt that explain the advancement in robotics technology and their applications in industrial automation. So you want to get the explanation about the robotics technology, that's fine, but on which field, which department, what is your purpose? So you are saying and need to please explain the applications in industrial automation. So for industrial automation, how the robotics technology can play the role, so explain me. Okay, so let's go to the practical session. There we will learn. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT that discuss AI. So So it's a fresh interface. Let me copy paste. Discuss AI. So it will provide a generic answer. It's a broad answer it will provide for getting information, for getting some suggestion. It is correct only. But if you want to get some specific answer, some uh, to the point answer, in that case you need to modify your prompt. So here types of AI: narrow AI, then general AI, super lightning, super intelligent AI, key technologies in AI, deep learning, machine learning, natural language process. So it's explaining everything about artificial intelligence. Okay, so you can take the inspiration from this content. Okay, so you can you can summarize this content within 500 words, within 200 words, and you can modify it. Okay, so for now, ethics and social consideration, future of AI, all the detailed information it has provided. It's very detailed information. It has provided. Okay, but we need some specific answer, because we have mentioned here, discuss the artificial intelligence in modern healthcare industry only. So in your case, it might be marketing industry, might be in relationship industry. So any industry you can work. Other industries, wealth industry. So you can, for your case it might be different. You just replace your content, replace your subject, replace your topic, so and modify it accordingly. So now I will ask ChatGPT this content. So I want the discussion about healthcare, modern healthcare, and these 2 points to be mentioned, like diagnostic tools and personalized treatment. So let me go. Here it is. Let's see how it responds. See, AI in diagnostic tools. So to the point, because I have asked about the diagnostic, so it will provide more information about those topics only. Medical imaging, then it's coming pathology, genomics, then it's coming predictive analytics, AI in personalized treatment. So 2 points I wanted to be highlighted. So these things are diagnostic tools and personalized treatment. So accordingly, artificial intelligence is transforming modern healthcare by enhancing diagnostic tools and enabling personalized treatment. Here is in-depth look at these aspects. So these 2 points only it has covered, because I needed to the point answer, because I did not want to know entire broad subject, broad content about artificial intelligence. It's very broad, but I need some specific answer. I have mentioned my industry, I have mentioned my output, what I want to get, what is my expectation from ChatGPT, what I want to know about artificial intelligence, about a particular industry and particular topic. So it has provided me as per my requirement. It was diagnostic tools and enabling personalized treatment. So it has provided the details. Challenging and consideration, it is there. Future prospect, all these things are there. Okay, so I think you understood the concept. Now let's go to the second example. Write about education. So you are telling about write about education. It will provide a generic answer, because it doesn't know that which education you are talking about. So important of education is saying personal development, economic growth, social advancement, components of education. It will provide a detailed informative information. Okay, formal education, informal education, specialized education, challenges in education, then again challenges in access and inquiry, quality of education, then technology integrations, policy and govern. So innovation and threats in education, all the detailed information it has provided. Okay, so you can see future of education, blended learning, AI and machine learning, global connectivity, focus on soft skill, sustainability education. So all the detailed information it has provided, but you don't need, for information purpose it is okay. If you want to know some suggestions, some information, so that is okay. But if you want to get some particular answer, so you need to modify your prompt. So in that case, what we can do, we can write this. We have a specific point that write about the impact of online learning platform on higher education. So I want to know about the higher education and the online platform. These two main keywords are there. So, and you keep in mind, I'm telling ChatGPT that you keep in mind that accessibility and student engagement, this is highlight these 2 points also, focusing on accessibility and student engagement. So let's see how it works, how it responds. So it will provide me the to the point answer. So accessibility, I wanted to know accessibility. So it's saying geographic reach, flexible scheduling, about the impact on higher education. So geographic reach, flexible scheduling, under flexible schedule, cost effectiveness, diverse offering, all these things, accessibility features, all these things are there. Now student engagement, because I wanted to highlight those 2 points, accessibility and student engagement. Now it's saying about student engagement. So interactive content, personalized learning, collaborative tools, real-time feedback, access to experts, engagement analytics, challenges and consideration, digital divide, then student motivation, this kind of challenges and consideration is there, quality assurance, future prospects. So it has given me the detailed explanation about 2 points that I wanted to know, that is accessibility and student engagement. So yeah, it's I think it's pretty clear to you. You have got the concept. So again I will say, you create your example. There you can replace the content, you can copy paste the content and replace your topic, your subject, your industry, and then create some example and practice with ChatGPT or any other AI tool if you are using, like Gemini or any other tools you are using. The main thing is the practice. You need to practice, you need to create more examples, and you need to practice it and find out the better version of your prompt. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.